Hi, today we're gonna make chicken with sweet bean sauce. We're gonna use two pound of chicken wing, and we put them in boiling water. It'll take around 10 minutes. So we just let it cook for 10 minutes. It's about time. Already past 10 minutes. So we're gonna pick this up. Okay, it's hot, and you can see the smoke. So we're gonna put some oil in it. Okay. Okay, so we brown them up a little bit. So you try to brown them up a little bit so you look better. See that start browning up. Put a teaspoon of garlic in it. 1 teaspoon of garlic and some ginger. About one teaspoon of ginger. Just a little bit of hot pepper, hot chili pepper, dry. 1/4 teaspoon of crushed chili pepper, and you fry this up a little bit. 1 tablespoon of sweet bean sauce. One tablespoon of sweet bean sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. 1 tablespoon. And you have to kind of cook them a little bit. Let it kind of bring out the flavor. You know, from the sauce, you have to kind of fry them up a little bit to get the taste, get the flavor to it. And you turn down the heat. Turn it down to about medium heat. One tablespoon of oyster sauce in it. Okay, now we're going to turn the heat higher. So the last thing we're going to do, we're going to put the green onions into it. Yeah, I think that's it. And it's done. Okay, this is chicken wing with sweet bean sauce.